English to Pashto short sentences. She loves you. هغه تا سره مینه کوي. She loves you. Her love is fake. د هغې مینه جعلي ده. Her love is fake. My love is true. زما مینه رښتونې ده. My love is true. You are wrong. ته غلط یې. You are wrong. I am right. زه صحیح یم. I am right. Don't lose him again. هغه دوباره مه بایله. Don't lose him again. Don't let him know. هغه مه خبروه. Don't let him know. He already knows. هغه ته د مخکې نه پته ده. He already knows. Keep it a secret. دا په راز کې وساته. Keep it a secret. I kept it a secret. دا ما په راز کې وساتو. I kept it a secret. Think twice. دوباره سوچ وکا. Think twice. Think once. یو پیرا سوچ وکا. Think once. He has not the guts. په هغه کې همت نشتا. He has not the guts. Speak up a little bit. لږ په زوره ووایه. Speak up a little bit. Come to me. زما خواله راشه. Come to me. Show your hands. لاسونه دې وهایه. Show your hands. My hands are dirty. زما لاسونه سخا دي. My hands are dirty. I trusted him. ما په هغه باور وکړو. I trusted him. Don't trust him again. په هغه دوباره باور مه کوه. Don't trust him again. Can you do it? آیا ته دا کولی شي؟ Can you do it? I don't think. ما ته نه ښکاري. I don't think. It is easy. دا آسان دی. It is easy. I find it difficult. ما ته دا ګران ښکاري. I find it difficult. She began to laugh. هغه په خندا شوه. She began to laugh. She began to cry. هغه په ژړا شوه. She began to cry. I will go mad. زه به لیونی شم. I will go mad. How did you get hurt? ته څنګه خوږ شوې؟ How did you get hurt? Is he there? آیا هغه هلته شته؟ Is he there? She is not here. هغه دلته نشته. She is not here. You are mine. ته زما یې. You are mine. I can never be yours. زه هیڅ چېرې ستا نشم کېدی. I can never be yours. Give me a mango. ماله یو ام راکا. Give me a mango. The mango is raw. ام کچه دی. The mango is raw. Give me a ripe mango. مالا پوخ ام را. Give me a ripe mango. Kneel down. په زنګوتو کینا. Kneel down. Love me. مینه را سره وکا. Love me. Don't spit on me. تو کرا باندې ما. Don't spit on me. Love him. د هغه سره مینه وکا. Love him. By heart. د زړه. By heart. Be friends. ملګری جوړ شئ. Be friends. Eat this. دا وخوره. Eat this. Spit it out. دا توکا. Spit it out. New one. یو نوی. New one. Old one. یو پوهانه. Old one. Right now. Was. Right now. Do it fast. دا زر وکا. Do it fast. Stand still. نیغ ودریگا. Stand still. Don't move. خوزما. Don't move. Or don't move. رقما. Hold it. دا ونیسا. Hold it. Take it. دا واخلا. Take it. Look here. دلتا گورا. Look here. Look at me. ما طرف تا گورا. Look at me. I'm unhappy. زه نیم خوشاله. I'm unhappy. I'm happy. زه خوشاله یم. I'm happy. I'm angry. زه قار یم. I'm angry. I'm sad. زه خفه یم. I'm sad. Get up. پاسا. Get up. Wake up. د خوب پاسا. Wake up. Try again. بیا کوشش وکا. Try again. I tried again. ما بیا کوشش وکو. I tried again. د دې سینور ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو د پاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.